10 years ago, we started this Caterpillar training program. And at first I kind of thought, well, it's just another high school program. But we found out it's way more than that. Now we've been to it 10 years. Over 30% of the workforce at Caterpillar has actually come from this program. I have students that actually go on and participate in our associate's degree level program and actually become supervisors at Caterpillar. We have extended out and we actually teach robotic welding to some of our high school students in their senior years. And they go on to be robot techs at Caterpillar. And that's just amazing to see a student to be a level 3 welder, which is the highest one they have at CAT, our robot tech at Caterpillar. They own houses at 20 years old, nice cell phones, nice trucks, and they have a wonderful life. I see them at Food Line, Lowe's. Every time I go there, I get stopped all the time. That's what makes it really nice. I don't remember her name, but they'll go on and tell me all about what's going on. They've had children now in the last 10 years, gotten married, and still enjoy working at Caterpillar.
What I like about welding is that I get to create stuff. I like being able to, put stuff together with my hands and tack it, and then it's there. It feels really satisfying to be able to do that.
I like that it gives me an opportunity for an associate's degree in welding, and also gives me an opportunity to also weld at Caterpillar after I graduate.
We've had a great partnership with Caterpillar the whole entire time. We've taken it very seriously at the college. And it seems like when you take it seriously, the students take it seriously. They want to be successful. When they wear their CAT shirts, they're so proud of being part of CAT. And one thing neat about it, the supervision over there does the same thing we do. They make them very happy to be proud of what they're doing and working at CAT.